Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the GeForce Now, error code 0xC2720059. The error reads, "There was a problem starting your session. Try again." As per our research, this error mostly comes when players try to launch Everspace 2 from the Steam store using GeForce Now. Users also have shared that other games work fine, but launching Everspace 2 results in this error. According to our research, the error is likely caused by a temporary issue with the GeForce Now service or a specific problem with the games on the platform. We first suggest you power cycle your device along with the internet, and then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then go to status.geforcenow.com and check if the GeForce Now services are down. If yes, then wait for the service to come back normal. If the GeForce Now servers are up and running but the error still comes, then check if it only happens with one game or with all games. If it's only happening with a specific game like Everspace 2, then wait for some time and try again, as the issue could be with the game itself. If the error continues for too long, then we suggest you contact GeForce Now support and report the issue. At this point, they will be able to help you further. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.